Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Imagine setting your own hours and working from anywhere in the world. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to achieve financial freedom and success. Print on demand, or POD, has emerged as a game changer in the world of e-commerce. Starting a print-on-demand business may seem daunting at first, but it's a surprisingly accessible journey with the right guidance. Print-on-demand, often abbreviated as POD, is a revolutionary business model that has transformed the way we think about product creation and sales. Print-on-demand has emerged as a true game changer for creative individuals seeking to monetize their talents. As the popularity of print-on-demand continues to soar, numerous platforms have emerged to cater to the needs of aspiring entrepreneurs. One of the most appealing aspects of print-on-demand is its ability to simplify the traditionally complex process of bringing a product to market. In the vast and ever-expanding universe of print-on-demand, choosing the right niche is like setting the coordinates for a successful voyage. One of the most effective approaches to finding your ideal niche is to start with what you're passionate about. While passion is a powerful driver, it's essential to balance it with a dose of market research to ensure that your chosen niche has the potential to be profitable. Section 4, Validating your niche, a litmus test. Section 1, Unleashing your inner designer. Section 2, Navigating the design toolkit. Section 3, The art of outsourcing design. Section 4, Designing for your target audience. Remember, you're designing for your target audience, not just yourself. Design with your ideal customer in mind to create resonant products. Delve into the minds of your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests and aspirations? What designs appeal to their style and humor? What messages resonate with their values? Consider demographics and psychographics. Are you targeting millennials or baby boomers? Understand your audience to guide your design choices. Create products that catch their eye and speak to their hearts. Navigating the pod landscape. Choosing the right platform is like selecting a trusty co-pilot for your journey. The right pod platform handles production, fulfillment, and shipping, letting you focus on creativity. The world of pod is brimming with platforms, each with unique offerings. Navigating this landscape can feel overwhelming. We're here to guide you through key considerations and leading players. Printful, your all-in-one pod powerhouse, renowned for its comprehensive services and commitment to quality. Streamline your pod process from creation to fulfillment. Extensive product catalog with apparel, accessories, and home decor. Fuel your creativity with cozy hoodies, stylish tote bags, and vibrant canvases. Commitment to quality with state-of-the-art printing techniques. Section 3, Printify, Unleashing the power of choice and customization. If you thrive on flexibility and the ability to handpick every aspect of your production and fulfillment process, Printify might just be the POD platform of your dreams. Printify sets itself apart by offering a vast network of print providers across the globe, giving you unparalleled control over product selection, printing techniques, shipping locations, and pricing. This decentralized approach empowers you to curate a truly unique product catalog tailored to your specific niche and target audience. You're not limited to a single supplier or printing facility, allowing you to optimize for factors like print quality, product availability, shipping costs, and delivery times. Printify's platform seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it effortless to connect your online store and automate the order fulfillment process. Their intuitive interface and comprehensive documentation make it easy to navigate the platform, even for those new to the world of POD. Section 4. Making the right choice. A platform for every vision. Choosing between Printful and Printify depends on your needs and vision. Printful offers simplicity and quality with a user-friendly interface. Printify provides flexibility and customization with competitive pricing. Both platforms offer unique benefits for your brand's success. Building your digital storefront, a welcoming online abode. Your online store is more than just a website, it's your digital storefront, your brand's virtual abode. It should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and designed for a seamless shopping experience. Think of it as your brand's digital ambassador, representing your values and commitment to customer satisfaction. Every element should work in harmony to create a memorable brand experience. Shopify, your e-commerce powerhouse. In the realm of e-commerce platforms, Shopify reigns supreme as the go-to solution for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. Its user-friendly interface, robust features, and extensive app store make it a breeze to set up, manage, and scale your online store without requiring any coding or technical expertise. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets and business needs, from starter plans for solopreneurs just dipping their toes into the e-commerce waters, to advanced plans for high-volume businesses seeking enterprise-level features and support. One of Shopify's most appealing features is its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which allows you to easily customize the look and feel of your online store without any coding knowledge. Choose from a plethora of professionally designed themes or create your own custom theme to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Crafting your online identity, a symphony of brand elements. With your Shopify store up and running, it's time to infuse it with your brand's unique personality and charm. This is where the magic of branding comes into play, transforming a generic online store into a captivating destination that reflects your brand's essence and resonates deeply with your target audience. Your logo is the cornerstone of your brand identity, the visual symbol that represents your business across all touchpoints. It should be memorable, scalable, and evoke the emotions and values associated with your brand. Your color palette plays an equally crucial role in shaping your brand's personality. Typography is another powerful tool for conveying your brand's tone and style. Choose fonts that align with your brand's personality, whether it's playful and whimsical, bold and modern, or classic and elegant. Your website copy, from product descriptions to about US pages, should be engaging, informative, and written in a voice that resonates with your target audience. Section 4. Optimizing for conversions, guiding visitors to checkout. Creating a visually stunning online store is only half the battle won. The ultimate goal is to convert visitors into paying customers. This requires optimizing your online store for conversions, guiding visitors seamlessly through the purchase journey from the moment they land on your homepage to the final checkout. Start by ensuring that your website is easy to navigate. A clear and intuitive menu structure, a prominent search bar, and breadcrumb navigation will help visitors find what they're looking for quickly and effortlessly. High-quality product photography is paramount for showcasing your products in the best possible light. Use multiple images per product, showcasing different angles, details, and even lifestyle shots to help customers envision themselves using your products. Compelling product descriptions are crucial for providing essential information and enticing customers to make a purchase. Section 1. The pricing puzzle. Finding the sweet spot. Pricing your print-on-demand products strategically is a delicate dance between covering your costs, ensuring profitability, and remaining competitive in the marketplace. It's a puzzle with multiple moving pieces, and finding the sweet spot that balances all three elements is crucial for your long-term success. Set your prices too low, and you risk undervaluing your products and eroding your profit margins. Price yourself too high, and you might alienate potential customers who are price-sensitive or perceive your products as overpriced compared to your competitors. The key to unlocking the pricing puzzle lies in understanding the value you bring to the table. Your products are not merely commodities. They're unique expressions of your creativity, imbued with your brand's personality, and tailored to a specific niche audience. This inherent value allows you to command a premium compared to mass-produced, generic alternatives. Section 2. Breaking down the cost components. Before you can determine the optimal selling price for your products, you need a crystal-clear understanding of your costs. In the world of print-on-demand, your costs encompass two primary components: the base product cost and the printing cost. The base product cost refers to the price you pay your pod platform for the blank product itself, whether it's a t-shirt, a mug, a phone case, or any other item in your catalog. This cost can vary depending on the product type, supplier, and any bulk discounts you might be eligible for. The printing cost encompasses the expenses associated with printing your design onto the product. This cost can fluctuate based on factors such as the printing technique used, direct-to-garment, sublimation, etc., the complexity of your design, the number of colors used, and the print provider's pricing structure. Profitability should be the guiding star of your pricing strategy. After all, you're in business to generate income and create a sustainable venture. Determining your desired profit margin is a crucial step in calculating your selling price. Your profit margin represents the percentage of each sale that translates into profit after deducting your costs. For instance, if you sell a t-shirt for $25 and your total cost, base product cost plus printing cost, amount to $15, your profit margin is $10 or 40%. The ideal profit margin for your pod business will depend on various factors, such as your business goals, overhead expenses, and the level of competition in your niche. Many POD entrepreneurs aim for a profit margin of 20 to 30%, but you can adjust this target based on your specific circumstances. While profitability is paramount, you also need to consider the competitive landscape when setting your prices. Research your competitors' pricing strategies to gauge the average price range for similar products in your niche. Pay attention to factors such as product quality, design complexity, brand reputation, and shipping costs when comparing prices. Don't be afraid to position your brand strategically within the market. If you're targeting a budget-conscious audience, competitive pricing will be crucial to attracting customers. However, if you're offering premium products with unique designs and a strong brand identity, you can justify higher prices that reflect the value you bring to the table. Congratulations, you've created a stunning collection of print-on-demand products, and your online store is gleaming with potential. Now comes the exciting part: marketing your products. To stand out, you need a well-crafted marketing strategy. Think of your marketing toolkit as a collection of brushes and paints. Experiment with different tools to craft a campaign that resonates. In today's digitally connected world, social media platforms are indispensable tools for businesses to connect with their target audience and build brand awareness. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok offer opportunities to showcase products and engage with customers. Success lies in understanding each platform and tailoring content to user preferences. While organic reach on social media can be incredibly valuable, paid advertising provides an effective way to amplify your marketing efforts, reach a wider audience, and target specific customer segments with laser precision. Platforms like Facebook ads and Instagram ads offer powerful targeting options, allowing you to display your ads to users based on their interests, demographics, behaviors, and even their past interactions with your brand. Before you dive headfirst into paid advertising, it's crucial to define your campaign goals, target audience, and budget. Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your online store, or promote specific products? Knowing your objectives will guide your ad creative, targeting parameters, and bidding strategy. Experiment with different ad formats such as image ads, video ads, and carousel ads to see what resonates best with your target audience. Use compelling visuals, attention-grabbing headlines, and clear calls to action to entice users to click through to your online store. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for building relationships, nurturing leads, and driving sales. A well-crafted email list is like a treasure chest of potential customers. Offer a compelling incentive for visitors to subscribe, like a discount code or free shipping. Use professional email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Track your campaign performance and segment your audience. Deliver personalized content based on purchase history and interests. From seedling to sequoia, the growth mindset. As your business blossoms, embrace new challenges and opportunities. Scaling is about building a sustainable brand that can flourish. Think of your business as a seedling, requiring careful nurturing. Water it with strategic decisions, marketing, and customer demand. Balance ambition with prudence. Make calculated risks and optimize operations. Automation, your secret weapon for efficiency. As your order volume increases, you might find yourself drowning in repetitive tasks, from processing orders and managing inventory. This is where the magic of automation comes in, freeing you from manual labor and empowering you to focus on the strategic aspects of your business. Think of automation as your secret weapon for efficiency, freeing up your time and mental energy. By automating repetitive tasks, you save time and reduce human error. Expanding your product empire, diversification and domination. Scale your print-on-demand business by diversifying your catalog to cater to a wider range of customer preferences. Like a farmer rotates crops, diversify your product line to create multiple revenue streams. Analyze your customer base and identify potential product categories. If selling dog-themed t-shirts, expand into hoodies, mugs, tote bags, and phone cases. Experiment with new categories and test their viability. Strategically expand to conquer new territories and establish dominance. Section 4: Conquering New Horizons, Untapped Markets and Global Expansion. Consider venturing into uncharted territories and tapping into the vast potential of global e-commerce. Expanding into new markets can unlock unprecedented growth opportunities. Target new geographic locations to reach customers in other countries. Offer international shipping or create localized versions of your website. Reaping the rewards of your labor. You're poised to launch and scale a successful print-on-demand business. Remember the initial spark that ignited your desire. That spark is now a flame, fueled by hard work and dedication. The world of print-on-demand is brimming with opportunities. Section 2: The Journey of 1,000 Threads. Building a business is like a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey of persistence and resilience. There will be moments of triumph and glowing customer reviews. There will also be times of doubt and frustration. Remember the why behind your business. Reconnect with your passion. Visualize the impact on your customers' lives. Every product sold is a testament to your creativity. Embrace the learning process. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Section 3: Your print-on-demand legacy. Envision the legacy you want to create with your print-on-demand business. Beyond financial rewards, what impact do you want to have on the world? Partner with eco-conscious suppliers who share your values, or donate a portion of your profits to a cause close to your heart. Shape your business to align with your values and aspirations. Your business is a platform for self-expression and positive change. Subscribe for more videos on building a financially rewarding business.